previously recorded. Merry Christmas from my view this morning out here on the beach. Everybody is out here enjoying the water. Oh, shoot.
You ain't know what you
Mom, put the phone over there.
Head, knees, head, knees, head, ears,
Now, Shania, you can't do that like that.
She cheating. Come on, okay. Come on, Tiana.
What? What? I'm thinking I'm doing.
Tiana.
Mine's on the floor?
Oh, Lord.
Oh, you still got a lot.
Tell me that.
Come on, Shania. I mean, and Tiana.
Do I got it? Oh,
You got 3 on you. Hurry up.
what?
Hurry
It feel full, girl.
Watch out, parents.
Girl, it's with
Y'all got 10 seconds.
10, 9,
Okay. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Stop. Y'all can open your eyes now. Okay. This is telling stories. So this is what.
ears. Simon says mouth. Simon says knees. Simon says the gift is gone.
Hey y'all, it's your girl T and I can only be me, and today I am coming at you with a grocery haul. Y'all, it's been a long time for a grocery haul, and I know y'all ready to see one. Child, we needed a few I ain't even gonna say odds and ends. We need to buy everything, dry good, paper good, and all that good stuff. So I went to the store and got that. Now I didn't need like stuff to go in the freezer, but I most definitely needed dry goods and canned goods and stuff. So that's what y'all gonna be seeing. I went to 4 different stores. I went to Dollar Tree, Walmart, Big Lots, and Sam's Club. So I hope y'all is ready for this video. Thank y'all for coming. Welcome to my channel if you is new. And y'all don't forget to ring the doorbell. Hit the thumbs up, the like button. One time for the one time if you don't mind. Alright, y'all, let's get into this video. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start right here with the refrigerator items so I can go ahead on and get that stuff in the refrigerator. I have some strawberry lemonade from Walmart, mango punch from Walmart. All of this that I'm going to show you is going to be from Walmart. Sour cream. I have the singles cheese, American cheese, 24, and I got 2 of those. I have some rotisserie chicken breast and some chopped honey ham. I also have some Monterey Jack, Colby Monterey Jack cheese and provolone cheese. Then right here I have some Andy sausages. Y'all know I like to get the Andy smoked sausage, so I have the Andy smoked sausages. Then this came from Sam's, but I'm showing it just so I can get it in the refrigerator. But I got some organic baby spinach spring mix, lettuce salad mix, however you want to put a spring mix, like I said. And then from Walmart I have some swai fish, and they come in this, what this is, a 5-pound bag. I think it is 4-pound bag. I got this from Walmart. And then I got 2 bags of the 5-pound bag French fries. So I got 2 bags of those. All right. Okay, so then here in the refrigerator, I have a carton of the 60 count eggs, and I have 2 of the imperial butters, and then I have a bag of the 2-pound bag of mozzarella cheese. All right, y'all. So from the Dollar Tree, I have some arthritis muscle pain cream, and this is for grandma. Y'all know grandma love to have her cream, so I got 10 boxes of that. Cause honey, y'all know, I tell y'all, she use it like it ain't no tomorrow, honey, like it's going out of style. So yeah, I got 10 boxes of these right here from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so right over here we have a little section from Walmart. So right here, starting off, I have 4 bottles of Lottie Body. I like to use these for my dreads to loosen it up, give it back body, and also grandma have naturally curly hair, so I use that on her hair as well to bring her curls out when I'm getting ready to style her hair. So then I have 4 twin packs of this body wash from Walmart. We got some Palmer's cocoa butter lotion. I have some Supergirl hair grease, and that's in the white one. I have 4 bottles of the herbal oil. I have some mouthwash and fresh mint from Walmart. And okay, we jumping around, y'all, because I'm getting ready to pass some stuff off to people. Okay, so also from Walmart, I have some antiseptic original mouthwash. And then I have 1 bag of, from the Dollar Tree. Now, this stuff from the Dollar Tree. I have 1 bag of veggie sea salt chips. A bag of plain golden wise potato chips. I have 4 of these sugar-free vanilla wafers right here. Then I have some of these Jack's white tender beef jerkies. That's what my husband, he had about 4 packs on. He done ate 3. So then I have 8 of the Colgate toothpaste. Y'all know I tell y'all that I love Colgate. That's the only toothpaste that I use, but that's what I got. Then I have 4 of the aluminum foil from the Dollar Tree. And the Colgate came from the Dollar Tree as well. I have some veggie straws and the sea salt. I have 2 bags of those and 2 bags of the white cheddar popcorn. Alrighty, y'all. So we're gonna start right here. And so this stuff here, the canned goods, is from Walmart. I have 2 cans of chili beans. I have 6 cans of tomato paste, and this is the 6-ounce cans. I have 1 jar of the diced jalapenos. I have 6 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies, celery, and onions. I have 2 cans of the Rico's gourmet nacho cheese. I have 4 cans of the maple cured baked beans. Now, these 2 is from Sam's Club. They had them on sale, and I went ahead and got 2 boxes of them since they was on sale for like $10 or something, like $10. I want to say like $10 or maybe a little bit more than $10, but I got these 2 boxes of finished what you use them, dishwasher pods. Y'all let me know if y'all like these dishwasher pods. Y'all know I ain't never had no dishwasher before, child. I'll take that back. I done had a dishwasher before, but it's a long time since I've used the dishwasher. And back when I had a dishwasher, I used to use the Cascade liquid. Can't tell you how it works, but nowadays they have pods. So y'all know I love pods, especially for washing clothes. But this is 2 boxes, y'all, just in case y'all think it's a tall box. But there's 2 boxes of them, and I got those from Sam's Club. Moving right along, over here in this corner, we have, I went to Big Lots. So this right here is Big Lot stuff. And I got 2 of the 35 count paper styrofoam bowls. I have a 40 count of red cups. I have 4 packs of the paper napkins. I have a bag of the 15 count Paper towels. Y'all know I like to go to Big Lots to get my paper towels because you can get the 15 count bags for $10 from there compared to going Sam's and spending like 20 something dollars. So I think that's the deal. Now back right here, this stuff right here is from Walmart. I have some soy sauce. I have some marinara sauce. I have some thick and chunky salsa. I have some ragu chunky tomato, onion, and garlic spaghetti sauce. And I have some grated Parmesan and Romano cheese. Also from Walmart here in this little section, we have some Lotta Body, 2 bottles of it, of the Lotta Body. And why do they look like they leaking or something? Oh, that probably was me with water. 2 bottles of the Lotta Body. I have 2 bottles of Ultimate Herbal Africa Best Oil. I have 1 of the Fluoride Anti-Cavity Mouthwash in Fresh Mint from Walmart. I have 2 of the Deep Moisturizing Body Wash right there. Then here we have a few little snacks. I have some salt and vinegar chips. I have sour cream and onion. I got 2 bags of salt and vinegar chips actually, but I took 1 bag. I have some sour cream and onion chips, and I have a bag of the these mixed tater chips right here. And this the one that got the sour cream and what is it? Cheddar and sour cream, Cheetos, cheese puffs, sour cream ruffles, Funyuns, and the what you call these right here? The twists, the Frito twist. Okay, so then here I have 12 cans of the whole kernel corn, 12 cans of green cut green beans, and 12 cans of French style green beans. I have a pack, and all that's from Walmart, and this stuff is from Walmart as well. I got a pack of the toothbrushes from Walmart. I have some Gushers. Well, I have a variety pack of candy. This is with the fruit roll-ups, the fruit minis, and the what is it? Fruit by the foot minis, the fruit roll-ups. I don't even know the difference, but anywho, and some Gushers mixed in. I have a thing of vinegar, some Axe body wash for my husband, and some hygiene products back there. And then we have a box of Little Debbie honey buns. Okay, so over here in this corner from Walmart, we also got 2 boxes of the jumbo shells. I got 2 of those. I have a bag of garlic seasoned and butter flavored croutons. I have a bag of real bacon bits. I have the pack of chunk like tuna fish by Starkist. Oh, this 8 cans. I wonder how much this was. Shaw just picked it up. In water. Tuna fish in water. I thought it was 6 cans with 8 cans, but that's even better. Okay, so then I got 4 boxes of Jiffy Mix. This is the regular corn Jiffy Mix, cornmeal Jiffy Mix. And then I have 2 boxes of the Velveeta macaroni and cheese. I have 2 12 count of the cherry mixed fruit cups. I have a bag of self-rising cornmeal. And I have a 200 count of styrofoam plates. Paper plate gang. Hey, paper plate gang. Hey, paper plate gang. Hey, paper plate gang. Hey, 1 time for the paper plate crew. 2 times for the paper plate crew. 3 times for the paper plate crew. Mess it up, you the paper plate crew. Okay. Y'all already know how we do over here. The paper plate crew. Hey, mess it up if you the paper plate crew. Hey, mess it up if you the paper plate crew. Hey. Alright, so we gotta go around here and I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Sam's. Alright, so right here from Sam's Club, I got 2 of the 45 count rolls of tissue. They got the ones that come in the bag, but me personally, I don't like the one that come in the bag, even though it is a little bit softer. I don't like the one that come in the bag because it leave a lot of lint behind. So that's my opinion. But yeah, so I got 2 of the dish detergent. Y'all know I always get this dish detergent right here. And then I got 3 the case of the 3 Clorox. So that's what I got from Sam's Club, along with 3 cases of water, 45 count. So that concludes my grocery haul. If you guys like the grocery haul, y'all make sure that y'all hit the thumbs up. Ring the doorbell. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like to call it. Is hit ring the doorbell. I like to call the thumbs up the like button, ring the doorbell. Okay. So y'all hit that thumbs up. Y'all make sure that you hit the subscribe button and make sure that you turn your notifications on. That means hit that little bell right by the subscribe button. I want to thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, this your girl Tiana, not gonna be me. I will see y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace.